As part of Tripura Police Week, the State Police organized a dynamic quiz and debate competition at Rabindra Satabarshiki Bhavan. The event brought together students from various schools, colleges and universities across the state to engage with legal and civic issues. The primary goal of the competition was to foster legal awareness and a sense of responsibility among the younger generation. By involving students in debates and high-stakes quizzing, the department aims to bridge the gap between the police force and the public. DGP Amitav Ranjan attended the event alongside other senior police officials.
One was cybercrime and third one is narcotic drugs. This is another challenge which our society is facing here. So please create awareness about the narcotic drugs, and I know that some of our young boys and youth, they take to this narcotic drugs because they are under peer pressure. So please create awareness about the bad effects of narcotic drugs. It does not destroy one's life, but his or her entire family is destroyed because of consumption of narcotic drugs. So these are the three most important challenges which we are facing. One is road traffic accident, second is cybercrime, and third one is narcotic drugs. So together, police and public and especially our youth, we will fight together against this menace, and we will ensure that we are able to tackle these challenges bravely and in a very systematic way. I congratulate all the winners and the participants who participated in today's debate, competition and also in quiz. And my special thanks to our judges and quiz master for organizing this program in such a good way that it was so interesting that now it is 2:10. But so many students are still sitting here because it was made so lively. And there was active participation of audiences. So I again thank our quiz master and our judges for making this program so interesting.
Reported by Pranav from Agatla, Chini, Khorang.